How to turn on game mode on Hisense TV. If you have a Hisense Android TV, here are the steps to activate game mode. So using the remote control, select the settings option from the app ribbon at the top or the main system menu. Navigate to the display or picture settings. Scroll down and locate the game mode submenu. Once in the game mode submenu, toggle the game mode option to on. If available, consider using the directed game mode button on the select Hisense Android TV remotes to instantly activate gaming optimizations. Explore and adjust additional gaming settings such as matching the display's refresh rate, selecting an optimized game picture preset. By following these steps, you can easily enable game mode on your Hisense Android TV. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.